Hello friends, it's the Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing for another Tuesday Master of the Universe Origins new for 22 STRIDOR Heroic Armed Horse, which I have officially named Mr. Horse. I like Mr. Horse, even though his name's STRIDOR. I'm calling him Mr. Horse. Now let's there it is! The Skeletor's dragon! I knew I recognized that Skeletor as soon as I saw him. I was like, hey, isn't that Skeletor supposed to have a dragon on his back? Dang. Why do you have to persist on being so hard to open, Mr. Horsey? Let's get you out. Off of there now. Ooh. Oh gosh. Tape. Whatever. Okay, cut that. Whoa. And yup. What's that? Come on. Any more cuttables? Cut it. Cut. Let's get this. Oh, you persist on tying everything down, don't you, Mattel? You persist on it. Oh, yeah. I got something out. I don't know what that is, though. So much easier if this wasn't taped. After some technical difficulties, I managed to almost get this out. Okay, so his helmet. Ooh, persist on taping everything down, Mattel. You persist. Even his tail. How would Mr. Horsey's tail come off? I don't even understand why they would do that. Got this darn tail out. Now let's get his darn neck out. And his mouth. Oh wait. These will be easier. Except his snout won't. Oh my god. Get your snout out. Oh yeah. Mr. Horsey's making a break for it. Mr. Horsey's making a break for it. AKA STRIDOR. Yeah! Miss. STRIDOR made it. He made it. Cut the can out. Now how the... Yeah, I'll just leave it. Okay, now. I literally need to get this out if I want to do anything. Okay, so while that goes off screen, let me collect this other helmet. So there are multiple helmets for him. A piece to Castle Grayskull, and what is this? Look at STRIDOR that I named. You know what? His official name for me is gonna be Mr. Horsey. I'm done with the name STRIDOR. It's too warlike. He's not a warhorse anymore. Not anymore. He's just a mechanical horse. Look at him. I mean, he's standing up straight. Oh, wait. Oh, his mouth can open. For that. So his boss can hold on to him and wait. STRIDOR. Why am I still calling him STRIDOR? I don't know why I'm still calling him that STRIDOR. When I said his name was Mr. Horsey. How did this... Yeah. So, now he's just gonna live the Mr. Horsey's just gonna live the simple farm life. But now, he is the battle horse. If I can get the, oh, he's a battle horse now. He's a full now. No battle horse. No battle horse. No battle horse. You will be battle horse as soon as I equip everything on you. Ooh. Pew! Now you need to get these. Now I must find a way to get this on him. Oh God, I can't get that on. I'll just leave it over to the side for now while I do this. The Castle Grayskull. Open it. Move into your human. It's the inside of Castle Grayskull. But then this piece right here. This is a one-time connect right here. Wait. Connecting. For the now, it cannot come out. But it does connect to Castle Grayskull wherever you want it. Wait. Oh yeah, I thought wherever you want the little pen, you can have the little pen on the first floor. But for me, I'll have it right here for Mr. Horsey, so he'll greet everyone who comes in. Now this right here, I still don't know what this is to, but it connects like right here. Then I can't get it to connect. My stuff's looking pretty good, but wait. Oh my God, it's just more scary. One bigger horn at the same spot, and then a buffer piece of it, and then it's the same helmet. It's the same. Mr. Horsey's back with some new upgrades. Now he's becoming the ultimate horse for evil, for anti-Eternia He-Man. Now he can. Now he controls Mr. Horsey. And I love Mr. Horsey. Definitely these blast effects. And can his pen even hold him? It can! But connected to Castle Grayskull, the person on top of him gets knocked out, which is good. And I love Mr. Horsey. Look how adorable he is. As soon as you take off all this war stuff, he's just a simple little farm horse. See? He's becoming a machinery farm horse. See? He's becoming a machine farm horse. See? And now he's a simple farm horse. Besides the gun we don't talk about. 1 of 100, he is a 100. He's just that adorable. I cannot. Look at his face. Look at his face. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on Twitter at the funkyplaybros. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at the funkyplaybrothers. Support our vlog at cashapp, $funkyplaybros, so you have more unboxings, more taste tests, more adventures, more monies, and for support. Thanks for watching. Bye.